Here at our Sunshine Library, we've been offering a 4-week Cricut program. Cricut is about digital design and craft, so people can come, learn and build on their skills from week to week and form some social connections across the time as well.
This is an amazing initiative by the libraries because it allows people from all different demographics to experience something they've never experienced before. They can try it, see if they enjoy it. It might become a hobby or it might be just a one-time thing, but having a chance to experience something that's completely free of charge. So last week I noticed that people were very shy. Today they've definitely warmed up. They've gotten to know their neighbours, gotten to know the people across the room, and they're not shy to ask for help.
We're actually offering Libraries After Dark programs at all of our 5 branches now, so right across the municipality, to make sure that everyone, no matter where they lived, in which neighbourhood, had the opportunity to get involved and participate. Hopefully this will give people the skills and the ideas to start a new hobby or perhaps spark a new small business idea.
It's really amazing seeing someone conceptualise a design and then being able to walk out with a tangible product. Just seeing them hold it up and just feel the product in their hands, it's just a really nice feeling.